island that is dear to me, and no spot on earth will ever dearer be. For wherever I may roam, it will always be sweet home. Oh, that beautiful southern island in the sea. Oh, that wonderful little island in the sea. Anna Maria, island of the sea. Anna Maria, all hail to thee. Oh, Mama Africa, brave and the free, beautiful Anna Maria. It is there the nature smiles the whole year through, and the stately palm trees wave 'neath skies of blue. There the mockingbird's sweet song through the sunny days and the